In front of me is TCL 501 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on this icon of a color palette at the top of it. Then pick any of those themes by clicking on the chosen one. Manage key borders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. If you want to customize it instead, go back to the same settings and this time use this plus icon under my themes. Then click on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit Done. Manage key borders and select Apply. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!